Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how we can customize chart on Google Sheets mobile. So here I have opened my Google Sheets application and I have created a table as well. I'm going to make a chart from this table. So the first thing we can do is we can select the table like this. I'm not going to select the whole part of the chart. I'm just going to select name and skirt column. Then we can click on this plus button to create chart and just click on the chart. Then the chart will be created automatically. And if you want to customize the chart, we just need to click on the option that we're going to customize. And for example, I'm going to change the type of the chart, so just click on type right here and you can select the type of the chart that you like. And for example, I'm going to select bar chart. Then if you want to change the title, we just need to click on title right here and click on chart title. Then just put the chart title that you like. And for example, I'm going to name it student score. Okay, and just click on update title. And if you want to change the name of the horizontal axis title, you just need to click on this option. Then for the vertical axis title, you can click on this option. And I'm not going to change it. Okay, and if you want to change the color of the chart, we just need to click on color option, then just select the color that you like. And for example, I'm going to select this one, this orange color. Okay, and now the color has been changed. Okay guys, and that's how we can customize chart in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.